Welcome. It's Kristen, the Dance Alchemist. I felt inspired. Inspired is not the right word. I felt the need to create and especially share a very short dance alchemy, which is a guided movement meditation, just coming back into oneself today, given how much is going on. That's being very kind saying it that way, that for myself, feeling that there is so much disruption, so much chaos, that as human beings, we are confronted with uh, atrocities, unjustness, the whole nature and balance in our humanity. That basic fundamental things of humanity and what it is to be a human being, with things like compassion and goodness, both for oneself as well as others, recognizing that we all as human beings share a collective responsibility and common interest to not only survive, but also to thrive, to do our best. And what I want to share with you in this dance alchemy is simply, and I hope also very powerfully impactful, that by taking just these few minutes to restore your own sense of center, that you can come back into yourself, put parts of yourself back together so that you feel and are empowered to think more clearly, to act more powerfully in ways that you know are true to you, that will make a difference not only for you and your own sense of sanity and self, especially now, but also perhaps for others. Whatever that uniquely is to you. That is my intention in this. So with that, if you have not done a dance alchemy before, it's very simple. I'm just going to give you a simple couple little verbally guided instructions. You can just follow along with me. I just ask that you are not doing something right now like walking or driving or anything that would be dangerous if you took your attention away from it. So that you're in a place where you can just simply be with my voice and these little prompts just for a short amount of time. And if you can do that, just either standing or sitting or even lying down. If it's comfortable, just start to close your eyes. And just take a nice deep breath in with me. And as you exhale, just notice your body. And what I mean by that is just notice if you're holding tension in places. Maybe observe the position of your body, if you're standing or sitting or your feet on the floor. If you're lying down, do you feel the weight of all of you? And if you're holding tension, just beginning to notice that, maybe sending a thought that can begin to soften. And then with that next breath that you take, see if you can intentionally breathe a little more deeply. Maybe let your ribs expand, let your chest expand, even your diaphragm, your abdominals. Create a little bit more space for breath to come in, and then exhale. And I want you to just gently move your head a little from side to side as if you were gently nodding no, or just simply looking a little right and left. Doesn't have to be a big movement, just to simply start to release a little bit of, if you're holding tension around your jaw, your neck, your throat, your shoulders, your chest. And then let your head just rest. Start to relax the space between your eyebrows, at the base of your forehead. And it's okay to let go here. What I mean by that is just simply trust that your body, your nervous system in this moment is safe. As you inhale and exhale, in this moment, you're safe. And notice, even just hearing the word safe, what does that mean for you? The presence in the space of safety. Something that in any moment, because you simply call it to mind, you can feel it, you can experience it, you can create it. Allowing it to just kind of wash over you. And notice if this has any residual effects, changes any feelings in your head, neck, and shoulders, your back, your hands, your feet, your legs. You'll be allowing your body to respond to connecting to the presence of safety as a presence, as a basic human right and need, available right here, right now, because you remember that it's here. It exists within you, regardless of anything else outside of your control. Take a few more deep breaths in and out. Noticing if your body can feel a little more grounded, a little more relaxed. And when you're ready, if your eyes have been closed, gently start to reopen them. And just bring yourself back with your attention to the space that you're in. And I just want to thank you for taking the time to listen to this that I am putting out as an offering. In this time where so many of us feel like left with this question of what can we do? And my answer was just to simply share more of what I've always been called to do, sharing practices of awareness, of connection, of introspection, of looking deeply as an access to something that creates this feeling, and ideally embodying more of our power, our confidence, our self-respect, and our truth as human beings. I wish you peace. I wish you empowerment. I wish you safety. And thank you for listening.